Hello students, once again I welcome all of you. I have told earlier that the total surface area, and I hope that you have done some question on that. Today we will start profit and loss percent. In the previous class I have told how to find the profit and loss. First I will revise that much portion and then we will cover how to find the profit and loss percent. So we know that how to find the profit on the basis of selling price and cost price, and I told you the three conditions, when you will get the profit, when you will get the loss, and when there is no profit and no loss. So first case, when SP is greater than CP, when selling price is greater than cost price, then in that case you have profit SP minus CP. This formula I have already told you. Now with the help of this formula, how to find selling price and cost price. So first, if we want to find the selling price, then we will shift this cost price in this side. So when we shift the data from right hand side to the left hand side, then the sign is changed. Here it is minus, and when it comes in this side, then it becomes plus. So it is profit plus CP is equal to SP. So you can find selling price when profit and cost price is given. Now if we want to find the cost price when profit and selling price is given, then shift this profit in right hand side. Again the same process. Here it is plus, and when it comes in the right hand side, then it becomes minus. So CP is equal to SP minus profit. So you have three formula in this case. First, how to find the profit. Second, how to find the selling price when profit and cost price is given. And the third one is how to find cost price when selling price and profit is given. This I have told you in the previous class. Now how to find the profit percent. This is the new one for this E form. So for finding the profit percent, you have to know three things. First, the profit, and the second is base price. What is the base price? That is the cost price. So for finding the profit percent, in case of writing the percentage, I have taken the symbol percent. So profit percent is equal to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. This is the formula of calculating profit percent, and this formula is used when profit and cost price is given. Then suppose selling price and cost price both are given. The first method is you have to find the profit first, then use this formula, or you can directly use another formula which I am driving you. Now profit, what is profit? It is SP minus CP upon CP. Now this CP is common for both, so you can take like this: SP upon CP minus CP upon CP multiplied by 100. CP is cancelled. What is left? When both the figures are cancelled, then 1 is left. Then it is SP upon CP minus 1 into 100. You can use this formula also. When selling price and cost price is given, then instead of using this, you can directly find the profit percent by using this. So you can take 1 upon 1 also and then solve it and multiply it by 100, you will get the profit percent. Suppose let us take one example. Find the profit percent. Now you have to find the profit percent. It means selling price must be greater than cost price. So let us take one example. If we want to find the profit, then we will use profit is equal to SP minus CP. So find the profit percent when CP is equal to 500 and SP is equal to 600. Since SP is greater than CP, it means there is a profit, and then when there is a profit, then you can calculate the profit percent also. So first use this formula instead of using this. How to find profit percent is equal to, what is SP? 600. What is CP? 500 minus 1 multiplied by 100. Now this is cancelled. 6 upon 5 minus 1 into 100. Taking 5 as a LCM, 6 minus 5, make a cross multiplication. 5 1 ja 5, 6 1 ja 6. 6 minus 5, it is 1 upon 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Here it is 5, and this multiplied by 100. 5 2 ja 10. It is 20%. So when cost price and selling price is given, then you can find the profit percent by directly using this formula. You can also use this formula also. For this, first you have to find the profit and then put up the value of profit here and CP here, cancel it and multiply it by 100. So whatever you feel easy, you can use the formula. Either you can use this formula or use this formula. So in this way, you have to calculate 4 things. One is profit, how to find the profit. Second is cost price. Third is selling price. And the fourth one is profit percent. Similarly, we will see how to find the loss and loss percent. Now, same thing. This is the second case. The cost is there when cost price case second, if CP is greater than SP. Now, in that case, you will have loss because the cost price that is the manufacturing price is greater than the selling price. So, it means the vendor is having loss. So, how to find the loss? Loss is equal to CP minus SP. This is the first formula of finding the loss. Now, first is how to find the cost price when loss and SP is given. So first we will shift again this SP selling price in the left hand side. So again the rule is same. Here it is minus. When we shift this figure in this direction, then the minus become plus. So it is loss plus this minus become plus SP is equal to CP. This is the second formula. When loss and selling price is given, then how to calculate the cost price. Now, when loss and cost price is given, then how to find the selling price. Now, for this, you can shift this loss in the right hand side direction. Again, it is here plus. So, when it shift in the right hand direction, the sign is changed. That is SP is equal to CP minus loss. So, you will get 3 formula in this way. First, how to find the loss. First, check whether CP is greater than SP, then there is a loss. Okay, otherwise, it is a profit. So, loss is equal to CP minus SP. How to find the cost price when loss and selling price. Loss and selling price is given. Then, if you want to calculate the cost price, then it is loss plus SP. And when cost price and loss is given, then you can find selling price. Now these 3 formulas I have told you in the previous class. Now the important one is how to find the loss percent. For this, again you must know the loss or cost price and selling price. If loss is given and the base price means cost price. If base price is given and the loss is given, then you can directly use the formula loss percent is equal to loss divided by cost price multiplied by 100. You can use directly this formula when loss and cost price is given, then you can directly calculate the loss percent. Now, what is loss? Loss is CP minus SP. It means first you check whether CP is greater than SP. If the CP is greater than SP, then you have loss. Then in that case you can calculate the loss percent. So put up these values. Loss is equal to CP minus SP divide by CP multiplied by 100. Now this CP is common for both. So again take the individual ratio, CP upon CP minus SP upon CP multiplied by 100. CP is cancelled. 1 minus SP upon CP multiplied by 100. So in this way you can use this formula also when selling price and cost price is given, then directly you can calculate the loss percent. Suppose let us take one example. Finding the loss percent. Now you are asked to find the loss percent. It means CP must be greater than SP. So let us find the if the cost price is rupees 400 and selling price is rupees 300. Now in that case cost price is greater than selling price, so there is a loss. When there is a loss, then you can find the loss percent. Now how to find? You can directly use this formula. Loss percent is equal to 1 minus SP. What is the value of SP? 300. And what is the value of CP? It is 400 multiplied by 100. Cancel these to 0. It is 1 minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by 100. For your convenience, for easy calculation, you can take 1 upon 1. Now take 4 as a LCM and make the cross multiplication. 4 1 ja 4 and 3 1 ja 3. 4 minus 3, it is 1. Here it is 4 multiplied by 100. It is 25%. So in this way you can easily calculate the loss percent when selling price and cost price is given. You can directly use this formula also. For this you have to use that, first find the loss, then put up the value of loss here and divide by cost price and multiplied by 100. You will get the same answer as 25%. Now the third case, when both the values are equal. If CP is equal to SP, both the values are equal, then what is? There is no profit and no loss. So you can simply write no profit, no loss. No profit and no loss if both the figures are equal. Now I am giving you some questions and you can easily find loss and profit percent at your home. So write down all these questions. So you can solve these 6 problems. You can find profit or loss percent. First, which I have already told you, first check whether it is a profit or loss, or no profit or no loss. If there is a profit, then find profit percent. If there is a loss, then find the loss. You can solve some more questions. You can take the questions from your brothers and sisters also. You can take the help of some other books also. So thank you kids.